Hello, Namaste, Salam, Sastriyakal. I'm your Zameer and you're watching Tech Informer. Today I have come back with a new interesting video. In this video, I am going to show you how to use rooted apps without rooting your phone. Without wasting further time, let's get started into the video. For using rooted applications without rooting your phone, you need a virtual machine operating system, for which you have to install an application called VMOS. There are two versions in that. There is a VMOS and a VMOS Pro. According to your device processing power, you can select the one. A Pro version is somewhat heavier, but if your device has less processing power, then you can go with non-Pro version. But Pro version offers you more features when compared to non-Pro versions. In Pro version, you can run multiple ROMs. In non-Pro version, you will get a default ROM. In Pro version, many rooted applications are pre-installed. After installing this application, you have to give the access of all the permission it needs. Pro version, it will ask for installation of ROMs. Select the ROM which you wanted to install. Just click on download. In non-Pro version, there is a default ROM, so you can't select multiple ROMs. It will automatically download the ROM. After downloading, the process will be same for both Pro and non-Pro version. After downloading the ROM, it will show a dialog box that the ROM is installed. After booting up, you will into the home screen, in which you can see the Play Store, Super SU and other applications are installed. In non-Pro version, if this kind of dialog box appearing on your screen, then just download this VMOS installer application from the link in the description. After that, the dialog box will completely disappear. For non-Pro version, you have to enable root manually. Guys, I have installed a root checker application. You can see my device is successfully rooted. You can also import the applications in both Pro version and non-Pro version installed on your phone. For importing applications and the data, just click on this transport application and select the applications you wanted to install. It will install automatically, so do not worry about that. You can also import the application data too. Guys, you can also patch applications using Lucky Patcher by using VMOS. Guys, if you are interested in bypassing in-app purchases and modding the applications, then let me know in the comments below so that I can make a dedicated video regarding this. Guys, you can see you can also use multiple social media at the same time. You can also install and play games. For example, I am installing Minimalcia. You can play PUBG Mobile, Free Fire or any other games you like. Guys, you can also change the resolution of this virtual machine operating system. You can set the height, width and the DPI of your choice. Just enter the values of height, width and DPI. For applying this resolution, you have to restart this operating system, for which just click on this and just perform a reboot. After reboot, you can see the resolution has been changed. Not only this, you can minimize and you can keep on your home screen as a floating icon and much more. Guys, if you have any queries, then let me know in the comments below. For more, join our Telegram group from the link in the description. If you like this video, then do not forget to subscribe and hit on this bell icon to be notified on every update from Tech Informer. Guys, that's it for today. Hope you love this video. Love you all. This is Zameer signing off. Catch you in my next video.